Okay guys, so welcome guys. So in today's video I will be showing you guys a very easy step on how you can sell your PGC airdrop coin to USDT on the Bitget exchange. Now first of all, congratulations to everyone who actually took this airdrop serious and they farmed it. And as you can see now, PGC is already trading live. You can see it. That's the second coin here. It's listed at 0.006. That's currently a very good price. So now I want to show you how you can sell this PGC coin to USDT, and then either how you can sell it to USDT or how you can convert it to USDT. And I'll also be giving you another bonus which will be at the end of this video. I'll be showing you how you can now sell that USDT to any local currency of your choice and withdraw directly to your local bank account, either it's Naira or any currency of your choice. So ensure you watch this video till the end and wait for that video to pop up so you can click it after selling your Piggy airdrop to USDT. So quickly guys, let's head straight into it. Now first of all, if you have received your PGC, where you are going to be going straight to check it is you'll be going to your assets. Now for those that actually farm this airdrop, if you check your assets, you are going to be seeing PGC listed there immediately. So now let me just tap on my asset. If you tap on your asset, the next place for you to go to is to your spot. Now once you get to your spot, if you want to just confirm that you have received PGC, you just go to the search icon guys, and then you tap on PGC. So once you tap on PGC, if you actually farmed participated in the airdrop, you will check here, you will see that you have actually received it. So guys, if you are seeing my channel for the very first time guys, please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe now guys, and drop me a thank you in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching from. Please do not just forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe now as you're watching this video to stay connected. Now how do you now sell this your PGC airdrop? As you can see guys, the price is pumping, so it's left to you either to sell or to hold, or maybe you are waiting for a while, just like X Empire did. For those that actually farm X Empire, you could all remember that after a while the coin kept on pumping after people have sold everything. So based on your own risk management, I will either advise either you sell a little of it or you sell everything. It's just your choice. Now for you to sell PGC, what you are going to be doing is that you will come to trade. If you look below my screen now, there are basically like 5 icons. There is home, market, trade, futures, and assets. So what you are going to do is to tap on trade. If you tap on trade, it's going to bring you to here immediately. So as you can see guys, the price is actually fluctuating, going down, going high. Is just listed, so many people are actually selling off and some might still hold. So it's your choice. My job here is to teach you how to sell to USDT. So this is how you are going to do it. Once you come to trade, you are just going to navigate to spot. So if you come to spot, now look at below my screen. After you see buy and sell, there is where you see this limit order. Tap on this icon here. If you tap on the icon, it's going to bring you different options. So for this video, let me show you what market is. Now let me just explain what market simply means on trading. Is that you want to sell a coin at the exact price it is trading in the market. So we are just going to navigate to sell. I repeat myself, what market means is that you are selling a coin at the exact price it is trading in the market. Are you guys clear? So now the next thing for you to do is that your available balance that you have in PGC, it will be showing here below. If you look below my screen, you will see available balance and you see slippage. Automatically it will be there. Now the next thing for you to do is to choose the quantity of PGC you want to sell, depending on how many PGC you have been allocated with. So you are just going to use this toggle button. This toggle button will indicate how many percent of your PGC you want to sell. Is it 50% or is it 100%? Any amount you want to sell, just use this toggle button to navigate and the amount will appear in quantity. Now once it appears there, the next thing for you to do is to just tap on sell. So once you tap on sell, automatically it will then be sold into USDT, and if you check your asset, it will be there. Now the next option is for limit order. Now if you remember, I said if you want to go to where I went to, just look below this buy and sell option, tap on this market, and limit order. Now what limit order simply means is that you want to sell your PGC at a particular price. Now as you can see, BGC as at when I'm making this video, it is 0.005. so maybe you want to just, if you want to do that, just go to this sell price. Maybe you want to say, okay, if you are believing that PGC is going to, based on your own analysis, is going to get to 0.07 or 0.08 whatsoever, you can see it increase. Are you guys seeing it? Now maybe you say you want to go to 0.0, let's say 7. Now if you get to 0.07, you will sell. Then the next thing for you to do, make use of this toggle button again, choose how many percent you want to sell, then you say, then automatically this trade will be done by the exchange itself. It's just like you just set a standard. So once PGC hits 0.07, it will sell off to USDT. Are you guys clear? If you have any question, make sure you ask me in the comment section. I'll be there to make sure I answer everybody. I don't want anybody to make mistake here. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and drop me a thank you in the comment section. Remember, I said you can make use of what? Market. If you just tap this option and you go to market simply means you are selling instantly at the current price rate. You understand? You guys can see it pumping back, so it's your choice. Either you sell everything now or you hold on. It's all of them. It's a risk. It's 50-50. Now the next option for you to go for is what? Convert. Now what convert simply means is that you are converting from one coin to another coin. So what you are going to be doing now is you are just going to tap, if you tap on this place you see USDT, just tap on it. So once you tap on it, you will search for what? PGC. Once PGC is available in your wallet, if you use PGC, if you use Bitget to withdraw. So if I search on PGC, I'm just going to hold on. So if I tap on it, okay, it's not appearing here because I didn't use Bitget for withdrawal. So now let's make use of another coin. Hope you guys are following. Let's say we are making use of what? Ton. Example, let's say the PGC ton is PGC, right? So we're now swapping from ton to what? USDT. Don't get confused. I said conversion, we are converting PGC to USDT because I couldn't find PGC here because I didn't use Bitget to withdraw, to make withdrawal. So for you are just going to tap on this form, search for PGC. Once it pops up there, automatically your balance will appear here. If you look above my screen, are you guys seeing? Your balance will appear. So once it appears there for you, you are just going to now make use of option. Choose your option you want to sell. Are you selling max, that is you are selling everything, or a portion based on how much PGC you have? So you are just going to just indicate it here. Then the value price in USDT is going to come up here. So the next thing for you to do is to tap on preview. Once you tap on preview, it has automatically be converted to USDT. So that's it basically for this, guys. Remember I said if you want to sell, you can just make use of trade. You go down to option, trade, and you navigate to spot. Once you go to spot, you make use of, you can see, guys, it's still pumping. Are you guys seeing it? It's still pumping. I don't know, maybe PGC will enter, maybe it might cancel a 0. So it's your choice, guys. So quickly, guys, I'm dropping this video immediately for you guys to know what to do and how to sell it, guys. Make sure what you like, you comment and subscribe. Wait for the video that is at the end so you know how to what trade P2P, how you can sell that to USDT to your local currency. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.